Hi everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Pandora Gift Card online using your computer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser first. In the web address bar, type in www.pandora.com and press enter on your keyboard. Go and click on the login button in the upper right hand corner in order to end up in the login screen. Make sure to enter your credentials correct and log into Pandora account. Now after you are done typing in your credentials, click the login button and you'll be logged into your Pandora account right away. Once you're logged into your account, click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner and click the settings button from the expanded menu. In the left hand side menu of the screen under settings, you'll be able to see a button that says redeem. Give it a click and get your Pandora gift card right on your hands. Now enter the gift card or your promo code that is available at the back of your gift card in the text box that appears on the screen. Finally, after you are done typing in your code, click on I've read and agree to the Pandora subscription terms and finally click redeem in blue. That is how you should be able to redeem your gift card with Pandora.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.